Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. In this video we will be showing you very beautiful cotton items priced in a very budget friendly range. One is priced at 725 and the next one is priced at 750. All these items are available in the website, so if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log in to our website, which is www.shriyadhecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Now let's check on to the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a very beautiful sky blue colored pure cotton top. The full top has got a thread embroidery pattern. So all these are complete thread embroidery work, and you will be getting a digital printed work also. Okay, and also in between you will be getting a sequence work as well. I hope you could see the sequence work. Okay, all these are sequence work. Okay, let me open and show you. So this is a very beautiful top at a very budget friendly price. These are all priced only 725. Okay, so don't miss it. So this is how the top looks. It's a very beautiful sky blue color soft cotton top. Okay, this is how the top looks. The daman also you will be getting an embroidery work. Okay, this is how the daman looks, and also you will be getting a sequence work as well, and all these are complete digital printed work. The yoke portion also you will be getting a digital printed work, and also in the daman also you will be getting a digital printed work. Such a beautiful piece. And this is paired with the same colored pure cotton bottom, sky blue colored bottom, and it has got a plain chiffon dupatta. Okay, very lengthy, and a plain chiffon dupatta with the crochet laces on all the four sides. So this is how the dupatta looks. A plain chiffon dupatta, same color chiffon dupatta. So this is the overall view of the set. It's a sky blue colored soft cotton top with the same colored plain cotton bottom, and it's paired with the same color chiffon dupatta, priced only at 725 with free shipping. In this we have got 4 colors. This is the first color. The next is yellow. It's a very beautiful yellow color. This is how the embroidery looks, and this is printed work you will be getting in the yoke portion. So this is how the top looks. It's an yellow colored soft cotton top with a complete embroidery work, and also digital printed work, and also sequence work. Okay, it has got a very beautiful daman, completely embroidered daman, and this is how the entire top looks. It's paired with the same colored cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and you will be getting a same colored very lengthy chiffon dupatta with the crochet laces on all the four sides. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 725 with free shipping. All the colors looks very beautiful in this. The next is peach. Okay, it's a peach colored soft cotton top with a complete sequence work and thread embroidery work. This is how the top looks. A completely embroidered top. You will be getting a embroidery work and the printed work only in the front portion. The back will be plain. Okay, only in the front portion you will be getting a complete embroidery work. And this is the bottom, soft cotton bottom this is, and this is the dupatta, plain chiffon dupatta with the crochet lace work on all the four sides. This is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at 725 with free shipping. So for 725 it's really a worth a buy, so don't miss it. Okay, so this is the last combination in this design. It's a light grey color this is. So almost all the items which I am showing you today will be same, just the small variation will be there in the prints. Remaining everything will be same. So this is how the top looks. It's a grey colored soft cotton top with a very beautiful embroidery work and digital printed work, paired with the same colored soft cotton bottom this is, and you will be getting a same colored chiffon dupatta, plain chiffon dupatta this is. Okay, this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at 725 with free shipping. All our items comes with free shipping as well. So let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a 725 item. Okay, So this is the first color. It's a peach color. Almost the previous item what I have shown you and this item will be almost same. Just there is a slight difference in the print, that's all. But both the items will be almost same. So this is how the top looks. It's a okay, in the daman portion you will be getting a different printed work. That is the different. Okay, I hope you could see the difference in the picture. So this is how the daman portion looks. It also has got a complete thread embroidery work and sequence work. The back portion will be plain. Only in the front portion you will be getting an embroidery. And this is the bottom. You will be getting a same colored plain cotton bottom. And this is the dupatta. You will be getting a plain chiffon dupatta. Okay. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at $725. The next will be very beautiful blue color. Okay, you will be getting a contrast printed work. Such a beautiful color combination. This is blue with pink. So this is how the top portion looks. It's a very beautiful blue colored, completely digital printed soft cotton top. Okay, such a beautiful print this has got, and it's paired with the same colored cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and this is the dupatta. You will be getting a same colored chiffon dupatta. This is how the entire set looks. So this set is priced only at $725. We don't have a COD option, only prepaid orders are available with us. Okay, the next is pink. Okay, this is a pink. The first one I have shown you is peach, and this is pink. So if you really like our collections, please do subscribe to our channel, and also please do share this video to your friends and family. Okay, so this is how the top look. It's a pink colored, completely digital printed and sequence work top. So this is how the overall top looks. This is the daman portion. Okay, and it's paired with the same colored cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and you will be getting a same color chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only at $725. We have got one more color combination in this. That's very beautiful lemon yellow color. Such a beautiful color. This is light lemon yellow with a very beautiful prints in the yoke portion and also in the daman portion. Okay, so this is how the top looks. The back will be plain. Only in the front portion you will be getting an embroidery. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very beautiful lemon yellow color this is. Okay, and this is the bottom you will be getting. Same colored plain cotton bottom, and this is the dupatta. So this is a plain chiffon dupatta with the crochet lace work on all the four sides. Okay, so this is how the entire set looks, priced only at $725. Let's move on to the next set. Next set is also a same item, but you will be getting an embroidered dupatta with this. This is the next item. It's an yellow colored pure cotton top with an embroidery work and also sequence work, and you will be getting a digital printed yoke pattern. So this will be almost same as I have shown you before, but just the dupatta has got an embroidery in this. It is not a plain dupatta like the previous one. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Okay, almost you will be getting the same prints and same pattern as the before items. Okay, so this is the daman portion. It has got a very beautiful embroidery, and the yoke portion will also be same. It has got a same plain bottom, pure cotton bottom, but the only changes is you will be getting an embroidered dupatta with this. The previous item what I have shown is got a plain dupatta, but in this you will be getting a thread embroidery work. Okay, so those who want don't want plain dupatta can choose this. It has got a very beautiful embroidery. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at $750 with free shipping. In this also we have got 4 colors. This is the first color. The next is dark peach. Okay, so this is how the top portion looks. So this set is priced at 750. The previous item what I have shown you is 725, so don't get confused. The one with the embroidered dupatta is priced at 750 and the one with the plain dupatta is priced at 725. Okay, so this is how the top portion looks. And it has got a plain cotton bottom, same colored bottom, and it has got a embroidered dupatta. Very lengthy, fully embroidered chiffon dupatta this is. So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at 750 with free shipping. The next is blue. Okay, such a beautiful color this is. Almost the colors will also be same. So this is how the top looks. It's a blue color, completely digital printed and a very beautifully embroidered soft cotton top. This is the bottom. You'll be getting a same colored cotton bottom and a same colored chiffon dupatta with a very beautiful embroidery work. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced at 750 with free shipping. So we have got one more item today. That's a grey color. Okay, such a beautiful piece at a very budget friendly price, so don't miss it. All these items are available in the website, so you can directly log into our website and you can start placing your orders. Okay, so this is how the top looks. It's a grey colored soft cotton top. It's a very beautiful embroidery work and sequence work, and you will be getting a same colored bottom and a same colored completely embroidered dupatta. So this is how the set looks. This set is priced only at 750 with free shipping. So that's all for today. I hope everyone liked the collections what we have shown you today. All these items are available in our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com. So directly log into our website and you can place your orders. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.